This speaker right here is under 30 pounds and packs a lot of juice. This is the Suleon R30 desktop speaker. It's a wild one for sure, but it's got RGB lighting. Stay tuned for the unboxing and review. Hello YouTube, how are you doing today? Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the R30 desktop speaker with RGB lighting. This speaker does it well in many places. But before I tell you anything else all about it, let's go unbox. Here's a nice packaging of the Suleon R30 RGB LED speaker. It looks really nice on the front. That shows you what it's contained of. It's a really nice one, I must tell you, and it's easy to unbox. Just open up the box and slide the speaker out of it. And that's how you get in the packaging. Nothing so much. Box is empty now. You got the user manual and all the instructions that comes along with it. That just shows you how to get it connected up to your computer. Nothing so much. Is pretty much use, unbox and play. Nothing so much, and it's got a packaging to make it stable in the box, and then it's got a protective nylon casing just to make it look shiny when you set up for the very first time. And it's got a power knob plus volume control by the side, and then it's got this gray finish with the RGB lighting at the edge, and at the back is the power button that turns the RGB lighting on and off. And then you got a cable, which is a fairly long one, that connects to the USB and the 3.5mm jack. And that's all that comes on the box, really. Nothing more, nothing less. This speaker packs two 5-watt speakers facing forwards, which brings the audio right there to your face. If you got it on your deck like this, it's got the audio coming right to you. So it's just really nice, and you feel the energy around the room. It's a wired one, of course. It's got a USB-A cable going to get power from any USB power source you have. It might be your power bank or your computer, and it's got a 3.5mm jack, and that is what you use to get audio into the speaker. It's got a switch around the back which you use to turn on this RGB effect, and the knob by the side also serves as the power on button, and also the volume knob, which you can use to adjust the volume as you wish. It's a pretty loud one. I don't have my volume up to 50% on my volume controller, and then I just adjust this pretty much to go with me. And if you're using newer phones, you may want to consider getting an adapter to use the Suleon R30 speaker. But if you're not doing that, if you have just a computer, if you want to use it on your desk, it's just perfect, because all computers I know, they have the 3.5mm jack, so you're covered with all that. Now, I've been using this for a couple of days and I really like it. I've used it to play lots of music, even my own music. Yes, I do music. So what do I like about the speaker? Well, number one, it's got RGB lighting. You can power it up with a USB, any USB source. It could be a computer, it could be extension packs, doesn't really matter. And also, it is lightweight. It means even if I'm on the road, I can literally chuck this in my bag and it's good to go. And as I mentioned, it's also under 30 pounds, which means it's not expensive. You don't have to break the bank to get really good speakers. Link to purchase that will be in the description and comments below. Although I would have liked if the color switch frequency synced with the music and the audio coming out of it, but that is not a deal breaker for me, because the speaker is still all good and all packed, and it's a good replacement for most laptop speakers we have these days, and a great speaker for your desktop computers. I hope you've liked this video so far. If so, drop a like down below and subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell if you haven't yet, so you don't miss any new videos from me. Well, of course, till I come your way again with another video, stay safe and goodbye.